Good morning, children. Yesterday we saw the digestive system, respiratory system, skeletal system, isn't it? Then nervous system. Nervous system is it is made up of brain, spinal cord, as well as the nerve, isn't it? So now we move on to the circulatory system. So circulatory system is what is meant by circulatory system means nothing but you will take your left, keep your hand towards the left side of your chest. You take your hand and keep your hand at the left side of the chest. Okay, what you will observe? You can hear a heartbeat, isn't it? You can hear the heartbeat. So our body organs need oxygen in blood. Okay, our body needs oxygen in blood. Okay, so to function properly, the heart, what does the heart do means the heart pumps the blood and to different organs of the body through tiny tubes called blood vessels. So what does the heart do means it pumps the blood and carries the blood to the different parts of the body through the tiny tube called blood vessels. Okay, so these blood vessels carry blood, which is so the blood vessels carries rich nutrients from the food. So already we saw the digestive system. What is the digestive system? The food passes through the food pipe and then crunches and go to the small intestine and then large intestine, then anus, isn't it? So in small intestine the food has been absorbed by the blood. Okay, the nutrition will be absorbed by the blood. So the nutrition obtained from the food we eat. Okay, and the oxygen will we take breathe in. Okay, as well as we take the what will breathe in. We breathe in oxygen. Okay, the blood vessels also bring the blood back to the heart. The blood takes waste products from the different organs and takes them to the excretory system. What does the blood do means it carries the blood and transport to all the parts of the body, as well as it takes the waste product, okay, to the excretory system. Excretory system. So the heart, blood and blood vessels together form a circulatory system. The heart, blood and blood vessels, okay, and together form a blood vessels. What does the blood do? So the blood is absorbed in the small intestine, as well as it carry the oxygen and transport to all throughout the body, as well as it also takes away the waste product and takes them to the excretory system. So this is the main function of the circulatory system. Okay, then excretory system. What is meant by excretory system? So our body generates different types of waste, isn't it? So by means of skin, okay, by means of the skin, urine. So these are the excretory system process. The waste needs to be thrown out from the body, isn't it? If the waste will be accumulated in the body, what will happen? So it will be very dangerous. So toxin means nothing. The waste thrown out in the form of urine as well as sweat means airway, and carbon dioxide. So the waste has been thrown out in the form of urine, sweat as well as carbon dioxide. So we have two kidneys. How many kidneys do we have? 1, 2. We have two kidneys. They clean the blood and make urine. So what this kidney do means it cleans the blood. Okay, it clean up the blood and makes urine. So the ureters carry the urine from the kidney to the bladder. This part is known as ureter. This is a long tube. Okay, so it carries the the urethra carries the urine. Okay, it carries the urine from the kidney to the bladder. This portion is known as bladder. The urine is stored in the urinary bladder and before passing bladder before being passed out. It can be stored in the bladder. So what is the urethra do? It collects all the waste urine from the kidneys. So what does the kidney do? The kidney it cleans the blood, okay, so, and it collect into the urethra. So the sweat as well as the sweat is also removed through the skin. So while lungs lungs release carbon dioxide. During summer, lot of water from our body gets lost in form of sweat. So during the summer we lost a lot of water, isn't it? Due to sweat. Therefore, we should drink plenty of water. Your parent will take plenty of water. So due to the summer season, the body gets lost its water. So that we have to take lot of water. Then reproductive system is helps in producing babies. So reproduction is the process of babies producing babies from the parent. Reproduction means giving birth to the baby. Okay. A process of producing babies from the parent. All living organisms die one day, and if they do not produce, they would not be no more. So all the organism will be die one day. So if they don't produce means they will not be no more left it. So they can result in extinct of that organism. Extinct means kana. So this is the reproductive system also very important. Excretory system, reproductive productive system. So children, I hope you understand it. Excretory system, then circulatory system and the reproductive system. Try to read it once. Okay, tomorrow we'll give the question and answer. Thank you, children.